Hey everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders, where we break down the world of investing and trading into actionable insights, one episode at a time. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're talking about something that I wish I had when I first started investing. It's one of the most common questions I hear from beginners, and honestly, even some seasoned investors ask this from time to time. What website should I actually be using? Because let's face it, the internet is overflowing with data. You got social media shouting tickers at you, clickbait headlines, chat rooms full of hype. But which tools actually help you invest smarter? In today's episode, I'm giving you the top 5 websites every investor should bookmark, especially if you're just starting out or trying to sharpen your toolkit. We'll go deep on what each one offers, how to use them, and how they fit into a smart investing or trading workflow. And yes, I'll also point you to a couple of bonus tools and a top tier platform you need to try if you're looking for the best trading platform for beginners in 2025. So let's dive in. Number 1, Yahoo Finance. https://finance.yahoo.com. Now I know Yahoo might sound a bit retro, but let me tell you, Yahoo Finance has stood the test of time for a reason. It's probably the most accessible, well rounded financial data hub out there. If you're a beginner, this is your gateway. You can pull up real time quotes, view interactive stock charts, get news tailored to your watch list, and even dive into basic financials like revenue, EPS, and market cap. Want to track Tesla's stock? Just search the ticker Tesla, and bam, you'll see everything from the latest earnings to insider activity. Pro tip: create a free Yahoo account and build your watch list. This helps you track how stocks move over time without putting real money on the line. It's a perfect complement if you're also looking at paper trading platforms to get started risk-free. There's also a conversation section on each stock page, which shows what other investors are saying. Now, take that with a grain of salt, but sometimes it's useful to spot hype, rumors, or sentiment shifts. Number 2, investing.com. https://www.investing.com. This one is a powerhouse. If Yahoo Finance is the intro class, investing.com is your intermediate to advanced toolkit. It has a global reach. You can view data on US stocks, European equities, Asian indices, commodities, Forex, and crypto all in one place. But what really makes it shine is the economic calendar. I check it daily. It shows you upcoming economic events like interest rate decisions, CPI reports, non farm payrolls, basically, the stuff that moves markets. This is critical if you're trying to time trades or just want to avoid surprises. For example, if you're swing trading or even just holding positions short term, knowing that Jerome Powell is about to speak or that the ECB is announcing rates can help you make smarter decisions. And the charts? They're loaded with technical indicators. Bollinger Bands, MACD, RSI, Fibonacci levels, you name it. And it's all real time. Also, for those of you asking about the best stock trading app Europe or Asia Pacific tools, investing.com gives you access to regional data that makes that search way easier. Number 3, Edgar, the SEC filing database. https://www.sec.gov/Edgar. Okay, this one's not flashy, but it's vital. Edgar is where every publicly traded company in the US is legally required to file their financials. That means the 10K, the 10Q, S1 filings for IPOs, Form 4 for insider trades, it's all here. If you're looking at a company and you want to get past the headlines, this is where you go. Want to know how much debt a company's carrying? Or how they're describing their biggest risks? Go read the risk factors section of their 10K. Want to know what execs are paid or whether insiders are buying or dumping shares? It's in Edgar. And yes, this can seem intimidating at first, but you don't have to read every line. Focus on management's discussion and analysis, financial statements, risk factors. Those 3 sections will give you a clearer picture than any YouTuber shouting by this now. Number 4, TradingView. https://www.tradingview.com. This is my personal favorite. If you're even thinking about technical analysis, TradingView is non-negotiable. It's the top charting platform globally, and for good reason. Their charts are clean, fast, and incredibly customizable. You can add indicators, draw trend lines, set alerts, and compare multiple assets side by side. You can analyze everything from Apple stock to crude oil to Ethereum, all on the same dashboard. But here's what really makes TradingView powerful for beginners. It includes a paper trading simulator. That means you can test your strategies with virtual money, learn from your mistakes, and refine your process before you ever risk a cent. Also, there's a community aspect. You can read published trading ideas from other users, some of which are fantastic for learning different styles or perspectives. And for coders or algorithmic trading fans, you can use PineScript to write and test custom indicators and strategies. Number 5, crystalballmarkets.com. Platform https://crystalballmarkets.com/platform. Podcast https://rss.com/podcast/crystalballmarkets. Now, this is where things get exciting. Crystalballmarkets.com is a newer platform, but it's built specifically for beginner to intermediate investors who want advanced tools without a PhD level interface. The platform itself is clean, intuitive, and fully equipped with everything you need to start trading: stocks, forex, crypto, you name it. It's fast, user-friendly, and secure. But it's not just about trading, it's about learning. Their podcast is an absolute must-listen, especially if you're new to the world of algorithmic trading, risk management, or even just choosing the right broker. They've done episodes on things like Robinhood versus Fidelity, which one's really best? How to think like an algorithmic trader without being one. Trading psychology for beginners. I love this because it's rare to find a platform that also invests in your financial education. Check out the platform at crystalballmarkets.com/platform and subscribe to their podcast at our ss.com/podcast/crystalballmarkets. You will not regret it. Bonus mentions because you'll need these eventually. Let me just drop a few extra names here because as you grow, your needs change. MetaTrader 4 and 5. If you go into Forex or algo trading, these are industry standard. Robinhood, great UI. Very beginner friendly, just lacks some depth. Interactive brokers, ideal once you're ready to trade globally or dig into options. Coinbase, still one of the top crypto platforms. Finviz, super helpful stock screener, great for idea generation. Wrap up your 5 bookmarks to build from. Let's recap the 5 must-haves. Yahoo Finance, simple, reliable, accessible stock research. Investing.com, global data, technical tools, and economic calendars. Edgar, real filings, straight from the companies. TradingView, next level charts and paper trading. Crystal Ball Markets, a top-tier platform with built-in learning. If you bookmark just these 5, you'll be miles ahead of 90% of beginners out there. That's a wrap for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. If you got value from this, don't forget to follow the show and leave a review. It helps more investors find solid, no BS content like this. And hey, if you're ready to take action today, seriously, go explore the crystalballmarkets.com platform at crystalballmarkets.com/platform. And binge their podcast. It's all waiting for you at our ss.com/podcast/crystalballmarkets. Until next time, this is Sophia. Trade smart, stay curious, and don't forget, clarity beats complexity every time.